Hi there, this is Stuart Emerson and welcome to the Virtual Assistant Online Video Sales Training System. Today we're looking at the introduction of Open Office Calc. That's Open Office's product to compete with Microsoft's Excel. Today we're going to work on the sheet for a sales figures spreadsheet by quarter for 2018. Alright, we're just going to go across and begin to collect our data. This is just a Word document. Now typically as you work on a spreadsheet, you're going to collect your data and go through and take it from another source. It could be Notepad, email, or whatever, but that's just normally there can be a range of initial sources for the data, and they can vary and they can be fairly raw. Alright, let's just fast forward a bit to where we've got all the data here. Okay, so we've got the data here, and what we're going to do is begin to format that data so it looks better and neater. I'm going to introduce this properties sidebar to you. So I'm just going to select all these cells here and just put in a font of Arial 11 and standardize that font. Now here, what I'm going to do is for this is really the spreadsheet heading. So I'm going to also use the sidebar here to merge those cells, and then that also centers our main heading. Now for these column headers, I'm going to just center those and put in also a totals line. And what we're going to do, we're going to bold that line. Now to get the totals in, we use the formula bar. So I'm using equal sum, move up to the one cell above, then hold the shift key while I move the arrows up, then hit enter. Now I can copy that, just copy, and then click through here. Now when I paste, it pastes relatively. I'll show you what I mean. So I paste it in, but notice the total for column C isn't the same as the figure there, because when I copied and it realizes, alright, we're doing a sum relative, which is the 4 cells above. So these totals are now completely correct. Now what I'll do additionally here, let's put in a grand total so we can see all our total of our sales figures. So I do sum, but this time I'm going to go sideways. Now notice the font is also still on 10. That must be the default font size. So what we can do now is just really format our cells a bit to just complete the layout so it looks nice and neat and sharp. So I select all the cells. Now I'm going to use the bordering here and just border for every item and get these headings and set the background color. Now I've put it here, but I can also set the background color here as well from the properties sidebar. Okay. What we've done is just set up this spreadsheet in the introduction. We've got our sales figures. In the next session, we're going to go through and set up some graphs and also some pull-down select bars. I hope you found it was a productive session. Thank you for your time.